Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone. I am John. I am from Chicago, Illinois. I am an English teacher. I love coffee, baseball, and talking slowly. Yes, I talk slowly because you are learning English, and that is okay. That is great.
And I am Bella. I am from Austin, Texas. I am also an English teacher. I love tacos, music, and helping people learn English. John and I are your hosts today. We are so happy you're here with us.
Today's topic is very fun, very practical, very useful. Today we talk about going to a barber shop.
Yes, an American barber shop. Have you ever been to a barber shop? Maybe yes, maybe no. But after today, you will know what to say. You will feel confident. You will feel ready.
So sit back, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the show. Okay, John, let's start. Imagine you need a haircut. Your hair is long, maybe too long. So you walk into a barber shop. What do you see?
Great question, John. When you walk in, you see chairs, big chairs, black chairs. You see mirrors, big mirrors on the wall. You see the barber. The barber is the person who cuts your hair. And you see other customers. Customers are the people waiting for a haircut.
Yes, and sometimes there's a waiting area. You sit and wait for your turn. Maybe you read a magazine. Maybe you look at your phone.
And the barber says, "Hey, how are you doing today?" Or, "Who's next?" Or, "Come on over."
Come on over means come here, sit in my chair. I am ready for you. Americans are very friendly in barbershops, very casual, very relaxed. It is a happy place.
Okay, so now let's do a dialogue. A dialogue means two people talking. John, you are the barber today.
Oh, okay, I am the barber. In barber voice, "Hey buddy, good to see you. Have a seat."
As customer, "Thank you. Hi, how are you?"
In barber voice, "I'm doing great, man. Really great. Busy day today, but that's good. So, what are we doing for you today?"
Now, what are we doing for you today is a very common question. The barber is asking, what kind of haircut do you want? This is your moment. You need to explain your haircut.
And don't worry, we will teach you all the words, all the phrases, step by step.
Okay, John, let's learn the vocabulary first. Ready?
Ready.
Word number 1, trim. T-R-I-M. Trim.
A trim means cut a little bit. Not too much, just a small cut. You keep the length, but it looks neat. It looks clean.
For example, just a trim, please. That means don't cut too much. Just clean it up a little.
Word number 2, fade. F-A-D-E. Fade.
A fade is a very popular haircut in America. The hair on the sides is very short, then it gets longer on top. It goes from short to long, like a gradual change. That is a fade.
You can ask for a low fade, short on the bottom, or a high fade, short goes all the way up, or a skin fade. That means very, very short, almost like skin.
Word number 3, taper. T-A-P-E-R. Taper.
A taper is similar to a fade, but softer, more gentle. The hair slowly gets shorter near the neck and ears. It is a classic look.
Word number 4, layers. Layers means the hair is cut at different lengths. It adds volume. It adds movement to the hair.
And word number 5, scissor cut versus clipper cut. A scissor cut uses scissors. Snip, snip. A clipper cut uses an electric machine. Buzz.
Buzz. I love that sound.
Me too. Okay, now let's do a full dialogue. Listen carefully. We will speak slowly. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Listen again and again. That is how you learn. All right, man, have a seat. You good?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I haven't had a haircut in like 2 months. It's getting pretty long.
I can see that. Don't worry, we'll fix you right up. So, what are we working with today?
I want a fade on the sides. Maybe a low fade and leave some length on top. Like 2 inches on top, maybe.
Nice. Low fade on the sides, 2 inches on top. You want a hard part?
Now, hard part, let me explain. A hard part is a line, a clean, straight line shaved into the hair. It separates one side from the other. It looks very sharp, very clean.
What does that look like?
It's a line right here on the side. A lot of guys like it. It looks really clean, but it's totally up to you.
Ah, okay. Yeah, let's do that. Sounds good.
Perfect. And what about the back? You want it tapered or squared off?
Squared off means the back of the hair is cut straight, like a square shape. Tapered means it gets shorter naturally going down.
Let's go tapered.
Got it. And you want me to clean up the beard too, or just the hair today?
Oh yeah, please clean up the beard too. Just shape it up a little.
No problem at all. I got you. All right, let's get started.
Okay, now the haircut is happening. The barber is cutting your hair. What do you say? What do you hear?
Sometimes the barber will talk to you. Barbers in America love to talk. They ask about your life, your job, your family. This is called small talk.
Small talk means friendly, casual conversation. Not serious, not deep, just friendly talking.
So, man, you from around here?
No, actually, I'm from Pakistan. I moved here 2 years ago.
No way. That's awesome, man. How do you like it here?
I love it. The people are very friendly, and the food is amazing.
All right. Have you tried deep dish pizza yet?
Yes, oh my God, it was incredible.
Right? Nothing like it. Okay, I'm gonna do the fade now. Tell me if you want it shorter or longer. This is your haircut. I want you happy.
This is very important. The barber says, tell me if you want it shorter or longer. Don't be shy. If it's too short, say, shorter please. If it's too long, say, oh, leave it a little longer.
In America, you can always speak up. The barber wants you to be happy. It is okay to say what you want. Okay, the haircut is almost done. Now the barber shows you a mirror. All right, take a look. What do you think? You like it?
Wow, that looks great. I really like the fade. Very clean.
Yeah, it came out nice. You want me to go shorter on the sides, or is that good?
No, I think that's perfect. Maybe just a tiny bit shorter on the left side?
Of course, no problem. There you go. Better?
Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, man. You look sharp. Come back and see me in a few weeks.
Now it's time to pay. In America, a men's haircut costs usually between $20 and $50. It depends on the city. It depends on the barbershop.
And very important, the tip. In America, you always tip your barber. Tip means extra money. Extra money to say, thank you, great job.
Usually people tip 20%. So if the haircut is $30, you tip $6. Total $36.
How much do I owe you?
That'll be $35.
Here you go. Keep the change. Great haircut, seriously. I'll be back.
Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. See you next time.
Keep the change means the extra money is your tip. You are saying you don't need to give me change back. Keep it. It's for you.
Barbers in America really appreciate tips. It is a very important part of the culture.
Okay, now let's review. Let's go through the most important phrases one more time, slowly.
Phrase number 1. Just a trim, please. Just a trim, please. This means not too much. Just clean it up.
Phrase number 2. I'd like a low fade on the sides. I'd like a low fade on the sides. I'd like means I want, but more polite.
Phrase number 3. Leave it a little longer on top. Leave it a little longer on top. You want more length on the top of your head.
Phrase number 4. Can you clean up my beard? Can you clean up my beard? You want the beard shaped and neat.
Phrase number 5. That looks great. Thank you. That looks great. Thank you. You are happy with the haircut. Say thank you.
Phrase number 6. How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? This means what is the price? How much money do I pay?
6 phrases. Write them down. Practice them at home. Say them out loud. That is the secret to learning English. Speaking out loud.
Wow, what an episode today. I feel like I just got a haircut.
Me too. And my hair looks fabulous already.
Okay, friends, let's talk to our audience now. If you made it to the end of this episode, you are amazing. Seriously, you're doing great.
Learning English is not easy, but you are doing it. One episode at a time, one word at a time, one day at a time, and we are so proud of you.
Now, here's our request to you, a small request. If you enjoy this episode today, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. It is free. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to us.
Every time you subscribe, it helps our channel grow. It helps us make more episodes, more dialogues, more vocabulary, more fun.
And don't forget to click the bell icon too. The bell icon is right next to the subscribe button. Click it and you will get a notification. Every time we upload a new episode, your phone will tell you. You will never miss an episode.
Also, leave us a comment below. Tell us, where are you from? What English topic do you want to learn next? We read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
And if you have a friend who is also learning English, please share this video with them. Share it on WhatsApp. Share it on Facebook. Share it anywhere.
Because learning is better together. Help your friend. Help your family. Share the episode.
Okay, everyone, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us.
I'm John.
And I'm Bella.
And we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Take care. Keep learning.